Tonight, are coronavirus cases leveling, or is the peak still a month away? Jeff Todd explains the conflicting data on where Colorado stands in the fight. Plus, Dylan Thomas with this man's incredible recovery. He's out of the hospital after being in a coma.
I couldn't speak with my kids. I couldn't speak with anybody.
Plus, Jamie Leary on the plan to house homeless people in a Denver landmark. And Karen Morford with the new tool to keep hospital workers safe.
This device will be a lifesaver for our brave people on the front line.
Good evening, I'm Jim Benneman. You're watching CBS4 News at 10, also streaming on CBSN Denver. It is top of minds for many Coloradans tonight. When can we expect COVID-19 infections and deaths to level off? While there is some promising data, the experts are cautious. Well, we're going to spend some time tonight exploring the issue. We begin with Tori Mason and the very latest from the CBSN Denver studio. Tori?
Well, Jim, the Department of Health released new information today showing a big jump in the reported number of deaths. So we asked the state to clarify things. First, the latest numbers. There are now more than 5,400 confirmed cases. Nearly 1,100 people have been hospitalized. And as we've said before, the state is not releasing the number of people discharged. Deaths are now at 179. That number has grown by 29 in the last 24 hours. However, the Department of Health tells us those patients did not necessarily die in the last 24 hours. Those deaths were just reported today. Many occurred previously. The department's website shows an increase, just one death in the last day. It grew from 178 Sunday to 179 on Monday. We're told there's often a delay in the time between when a person dies and when the state reports it. Today, Denver Mayor Michael Hancock announced steps to protect the city's homeless population. That includes setting up a shelter in the National Western Complex and opening hundreds of hotel rooms for homeless who need to isolate. Plus, 250 National Guard members have been mobilized to help. The mayor says taking care of the homeless population is an important step to flattening the curve.
We cannot